What is good, guys? So today's gonna be a quick tip. Do you have your door keys that when you try to stick it in it, it's like tough and hard to twist? Well, this is the Graphite Lube that's going to help out. I'll show you what I mean. The door is locked. When you try to put it in, it's like stiff. And try to turn it, it's tough. Bam. And so basically that's how you do it. You just put this in your keyhole, squeeze a couple of times, get the powder in there, and put your key in there back and forth and twist it so let it lubricate. And now your door won't get jammed. Your key won't get stuck and hard to twist. I mean, you can use WD-40 as well, but I didn't use that for the reason since they make these for it already. I'd rather be safe and sorry and use this. And I heard before, no, don't use WD-40 and use Graphite. No, don't use Graphite, use WD-40. But, you know, at the end of the day, it's your choice what you want to use, okay? Yeah, if it works, it works, all right?